Dynamic device groups provide an automated and efficient way to group devices based on their properties, making it easier to apply policies and settings. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps required to create a dynamic device group that targets both Windows 10 and 11 devices in an Azure Active Directory environment. First, sign into your tenant and head over to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Then select Azure Active Directory. Click on Groups, All Groups, and select New Group. Then, under Group Type, we'll leave it as Security. Under Group Name, create a name describing the basic purpose for the group. For this example, I'll be using Baseline Application Deployment Group. The description should add more detail to make it easier to remember in the future. For this example, I'll be adding automatically deploy applications to all Azure joined Windows 10 and 11 devices. Then, navigate to Membership Type, select the downward arrow and choose Dynamic Device. Then, select Add a Dynamic Query and add the following settings. Under Property, choose Device OS Type. Under Operator, choose Equal. Under Value, add Windows. Then save the changes and click Create. Thanks for taking the time to view this video.